Hey guys, it's Sebastian. So in this video, I thought it would be very valuable of myself to show you guys a ton of different product research methods. So in this video, that's essentially what I'm going to do. I have 4 or 5 different methods that I'm going to show you guys. Before I show you guys the methods, I want to go over product criteria. So when you're finding a product, you want to find one that solves a large problem for many people. And then you also want to find a product that cannot be sold in stores. The product that you find should also have a wow factor, and I'll explain these all in the next slide, so just give me 1 second. And then the margins and perceived value of the product should be very reasonable. So it shouldn't be like you're finding a product that you can source for $10 and you're selling it for $15. That will not leave you margin at all. And then you also want to find other competitors selling the same product. That will basically give you the proof of concept that shows you that the product is actually selling well. An example of this would be selling a pet fur removal brush. Pet owners like myself, I dislike having fur anywhere. So if it's on my shirt, in my car, I don't like having fur on myself or on anything around me. It just isn't a pleasant sight. Another reason why this product sells well is because stores are generally closed or have limited amounts of people that they can let into the stores, which has people now going online and shopping online rather than going into a pet store and buying this product. Another benefit to this product is the perceived value is high, so people are definitely fine with spending $20 to $30 to solve this big problem that a lot of pet owners have, which is having fur everywhere. It is kind of annoying, if I'm being honest, being a pet owner having fur everywhere. So having a product like this solves the problem. And if someone has to dish out $20 or $30, consumers are definitely willing to do that. Another benefit of this product is it has a wow factor and shocks the consumer as to how it's so easy to use, which is very valuable. And I suggest if you guys are finding products, be sure you include this in your product research criteria. Selling any product becomes a whole lot easier if you do have a wow factor with the product. We will start getting into these product research methods because they're pretty cool. Some of you guys might know some of them, but overall, if you compile them and use them all on a daily basis or bi-daily or weekly, you should find some very good products on a consistent basis. The methods I'm going to show you guys include these 2 Chrome extensions, so be sure you add them. The first one is Product Mafia Ad Hunter. That one's essential, and then also Facebook Pixel Helper. This will essentially show you the Facebook pixel that's being fired on whatever website you're visiting, and we will be able to fire the purchase pixel on these websites, and then also this one will be able to just show us ads only on our Facebook feed. So traditionally, I use Turbo Ad Finder, and that one didn't work. One of my subscribers recommended this free Chrome extension, and it's working well. So once you have this Product Mafia Ad Hunter Chrome extension installed, you want to turn it on, and essentially it will turn off all other posts that aren't sponsored posts, and it will show you a lot of different products on your Facebook feed. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to scroll down. Once you turn on the Google Chrome extension, a lot of these ads might not even be dropshipping products. So what you can do is click shop now, and then it'll take you to whatever website you're trying to visit from the ad, and then you can go and add a product to cart. I'm just going to click more options because I don't want to check out through PayPal. I'm just simply trying to fire their Facebook pixel, and then I will wait until this all loads, and I will fire the Facebook pixel for purchase. I'll show you guys how to do that. I'll have this code in the description, but essentially you want to copy this and then paste it into here, and then copy the value and then paste it right here where the value shows. And then what you'll want to do is copy all of this and then go into inspect. And then you will essentially paste this code into the console, which will in turn fire the Facebook pixel. So that should have fired the purchase event. Yep, as you guys can see, purchase has been tracked, which now is telling Facebook that we have purchased this product when we really haven't. And then what you can do is let Facebook feed you more ads. So maybe wait like 30 minutes to an hour, and you should see a lot more dropshipping style ads, depending on which product you fired the purchase event for. But that is essentially how you can become an engaged shopper. And then Facebook will in turn view you as a higher valued potential customer for all of these ads, which means you will be pushed a lot more dropshipping ads. The next method for finding products, very simple, okay? I just go onto the flash deals of Aliexpress. It's right on the homepage, and then I select whatever category I'm looking for products in. I personally like the health and beauty, and I am going to just scroll down and look for products. We have an arthritis knee support brace, which is heated. That's a good product, and it's $10. People would probably pay like $50 to $70 for that product. So off the bat, the first product is pretty good. And then this shoulder massager is a pretty cool product as well that has a high perceived value. I believe my parents actually paid like $100 for one, so it does have a high perceived value. And even at $100, people do believe that they are getting a steal, when in reality, you can source it for $23. And there's a lot of hair products that I'm not interested in. The massage gun, I'm not really a fan of that product. It seems a bit too competitive for myself, but if we scroll down a little bit more, I believe there are a few more products that are pretty valuable. This product right here is for doing your nails. A lot of girls aren't going to nail salons because a lot of them are closed or have crazy restrictions. So selling something like this and allowing girls to do their nails at home home could definitely work out really well. And then another product that's cool, this product has been taken mainstream. A lot of people are making videos on it, but nonetheless, this little neck and shoulder massager is also pretty cool. This last product is a lumbar support brace, so it's for your back, and essentially you can wear it and support your back. So all of those products are pretty cool, and those were just found by going on Flash Deals, Health and Beauty, and scrolling through for a little bit. Now, you can go through all of these different categories and figure out tons of products that you probably would have never thought of that are all listed on here waiting to be sold. So that's another easy method for finding products. Another valuable product research method that it requires Facebook is going on here and typing in stuff like get yours here, get yours today, 50% off today only, free worldwide shipping, typing in those types of terms and then filtering by videos that were posted this month. You can find so many products that are on here that have crazy amount of views. So it is currently August 11th. This video has 611,000 views. If they're generating 50 cents per view, that's $300,000 in revenue. So this is definitely a good product that's being ran right now. And then there's another one right here. I'm not really sure what this is. It has something to do with your sink. Nonetheless, this one has 320,000 views. This one has 33,000 views. A lot of these have crazy amounts of views, and they were just posted this month, which brings me to the conclusion that a lot of these people are probably generating a pretty substantial amount of money with all of these products. So this is the video ad for the headphones that you can sleep with. It was the first one. I'll show you guys this one right here on top. So I clicked through to the video, and as you guys can see, this is the product, but I want to click through to their Facebook page and see if they are actually running any ads currently, because that is another part of finding products, is you want to make sure there are competitors actively running the ads. So what you do is you come onto the Facebook page, you scroll down a little bit, and you go onto page transparency, and then you will see that they're not running any ads right here. So normally if they are running ads, it'll tell you that they are currently running ads, but we can go to another page and do the same exact thing. So this one is selling a baby brace, or like a baby carrier backpack type of thing. So I'm going to go onto their Facebook page. I don't know if these pages are running ads. I'm doing this all live, so keep that in mind. But we can scroll down and see that they have been running this page since July 27th. And they are currently not running any ads. Let me just verify this, because sometimes Facebook bugs out and it says they're not when they actually are. So we will go and just verify. Yeah, so they're not running any ads. Let's get to another product. This product is a strainer if you're trying to strain stuff out of your pots and pans. We're going to click to this page and see if they're running ads. So I can now scroll down and then go to page transparency and see if they are now running ads. Let's hope they are, because I want to show you guys some good examples. I did not mean to click on that. This page is also not running ads, but essentially what I meant is you could come like right here. I can go to Ferris Mall. They're selling this water bottle. And once it loads, I will show you guys. For this page, they were selling and running ads for a collapsible water bottle. I'm sure we can scroll down, click see all, and then go to their ad library. And I'm sure there are going to be more products on here that we have not even thought of that they're also running ads for. So let's just take a look. So they're also running ads for a multimeter. These are both really random products that I never would have thought of drop shipping. But if they're running paid ads and they are consistently pulling in sales, then it could be a good product. So this product, they started running ads on August 4th. And they've been spending money every single day since August 4th. So you know that they're probably making sales with the product, but one thing you would want to do is check in after another week or so and see if they're still running the product or if they scaled the product, because then that would give you a pretty good sign that the product is working or not. Another easy product research method is called Flipa.com. Essentially what it is, it's a platform that you can sell your dropshipping business on. A lot of people ask me, hey Sebastian, why are people selling the store? Like, wouldn't that mean it's a bad product and I shouldn't sell it? Now, yes, that could be true, but a lot of the times people just sell their dropshipping store because they don't have the time to manage it, or they don't know exactly how to scale the store or something along those lines, or they maybe don't even want to scale a store to like $1 million in revenue. They want to just exit, get some quick money, and then go vacation for a little while and then get back to work on e-commerce. A lot of people have pretty random ways that they work on their businesses. So, to each their own, but this is a good way to actually find the products that people are selling that are still working really well to this day. So essentially what you do, Flipa.com, you hover over e-commerce, you go by type, and then you come to dropship. And then once this loads, it will show us a lot of dropshipping sites that are currently being sold on this marketplace. So let's wait for this to load. And then what we want to do is sort by most, did I miss it? Yeah, most profitable. And this will bring up a lot of stores that are really profitable. Now, this store already has a bid at $500,000, so it's going to be selling for $500,000 at minimum, which is pretty crazy. So we can click through to this and see exactly which products they are selling, which is very valuable. This is where you want to start taking notes on the product they're selling and then how they're marketing their products. I believe they're actually doing Google ads for this product. I can go through and read exactly what they say. So in the notes, they will actually explain, I'm going to guess. Let's just go through it and see. So right here, they say that they run Google, YouTube, and Snapchat ads. So essentially what they're saying is that's how they do their paid advertising, and that's how they generate the amount of revenue that they're doing, which is, they're pretty big numbers. You know, they're doing 100K, 850K. In June, they did over $500,000. They're doing really well for themselves, and that is why they're able to sell this store for $500,000. So this is a general store that sells a lot of products, but with this amount of capital, what they can then do is create a one product store for one of these products specifically, build up an amazing brand, and make that company worth millions of dollars rather than $500,000, which is a smart move, and a lot of people do it, which is why they're probably, again, selling the store, which means a lot of you guys can find good products on stores like this. Now, this is one example on Flipa. Another good website is exchangemarketplace.com. Pretty much the same concept, but some people list them on Flipa or not Exchange, and vice versa, which is why I personally just check both sites pretty regularly. So as we can scroll through, we can see a lot of sites that are doing, 10K profits per month, 7K profit per month, 10K profits. Some that are confidential, like these ones up here, they're doing 28K profit per month, pretty high numbers, and then 11K profit per month. So they're doing well, but there are a lot of these products and websites that people are just not wanting to sell anymore. So that's why they sell their site, which is where you can come in and find the product that they're selling, and then in turn, you could potentially scale the product yourself. That's going to wrap it up for this in-depth product research video. Hope you guys got massive value from it. I showed you guys, I believe, 5 or 6 different methods, and they all work really well. So please take action on them, because this is how I find all of my 6- and 7-figure products. It's nothing special. I just personally spend many hours going through all of these products and seeing which one I want to actually scale. If you guys got value from this video, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below, because I post daily dropshipping content. And then also, if you have any questions, comments, or future video recommendations, you can always drop those in the comment section below. And then also, if you guys are not following my Instagram, I'll have a link in the description for that. I post my Shopify revenue pretty often, like almost daily. I will also be doing a new video pretty soon where I review a lot of your guys' Shopify stores, and I will get those submissions on my Instagram page. So if you guys have not followed me already, I'll have a link in the description for my Instagram page. But other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.